are Team Emergency, and we are here today to talk to you about augmented reality training and emergency system. Augmented reality is a function that allows you to use a device with a camera, such as iPhone or Android, to point it at your surroundings. When pointed at your surroundings, arrows and other features of the particular AR interface can be placed on top of your surroundings to create realistic point of view and feel when using augmented reality. Augmented reality has become very important and well known over the last few years. In 2020, 88% of people that their ages from 16 to 44 are aware of augmented reality. Augmented reality will continue to become even more important in the future. By 2023, AR market will reach 70 to 75 billion in revenue.
First, I would like to address the why. What problems does our product solve? Well, turns out that 89% of college campuses in the United States are looking to upgrade their emergency notification and safety systems. With the addition of augmented reality, we are able to create this improvement that college campuses are looking for. Next, I would like to mention human error. In emergency situations, such as ones our app will address, humans tend to make very rash decisions because of stress. They begin to ask themselves, where do I go, what do I do, and how long do I have to do it? But with my next point, guidance, this stress is relieved. Instead of spontaneously having to think of how to react, these reactionary problems are taken out of the equation with the guidance given by our app that Jim will talk about here in a second. Lastly, the pathway taken to safety. This is a problem because of unknown location of the emergency, for example, a fire or a school shooter. Taking the standard route to safety is not always the safest route. With the improvements and capabilities of knowing where the exact emergency is, the pathway will become a guarantee to safety. Using the features of augmented reality, direction signals such as arrows or other features will be displayed on top of your surroundings with your smartphone telling you where to go. This feature eliminates the decision-making process and allows people to have directions on exactly where they need to go or what their next move will be. Our product uses augmented reality to create a map that guides our users to safety. This is made possible through the use of GPS tracking, accelerometers, street view vehicles, and virtual image overlay. An accelerometer is generally found in mobile devices and is used to track the acceleration of the device. Our product therefore requires the user to have a mobile device that allows it to track them. We would need a street view vehicle in order to map out the campuses and pinpoint key locations on a campus. Without considering the cost of an individual smartphone, this technology would cost about $3,500. Using this technology, our app is able to pinpoint and actively track the user. When a user pings the app, it can locate where the user is in regards to where the predetermined point of safety is, using the visual overlay that guides the user to safety. As an app is used more frequently, the app will be able to more accurately create efficient routes to safety based on data collected from the accelerometer.
Next, I want to discuss how our app works. First, we have the one-click feature. When there is an emergency, such as a fire or a lockdown, the person who recognizes the emergency with one click of a button notifies DU campus safety, local authorities, and anyone in the building or within the radius of danger. The next step is route to safety. Now that the emergency has been identified and people have been notified, the app now directs people exactly where to go using augmented reality. The app lays arrows and other directional features on top of your surroundings to show you exactly where to go. For example, as you pull up the app, it will tell you to open your door and go either left or right depending on the location of the emergency. Once directed towards the nearest stairwell or exit, the app then tells you what route to take in order to avoid the emergency, whether that is going down a flight of stairs and then to a different stairwell or straight down to ground level. Now that the app has given you a route to safety, the timeline comes into play. The app can now tell you how long with a countdown timer you have to get out of the building or get to where it is directing you to be guaranteed safety. This is very helpful because it allows people to see exactly how much time they have to get where they are being directed and relieve stress, knowing that they have enough time to do so.
The target market for emergency is the DU campus safety. Out of DU's 12,981 students, 48% of them live on campus. According to research, college students are less likely to perceive natural disasters as a threat. They are, however, more nervous about violence. About 6.7% of students have skipped school in the previous month because of a fear of their personal safety. On a campus comparable to DU, only 34.4% of students had a residence hall plan in place. 49% of those students had no idea what to do in the event of an emergency. Out of a survey of 39 DU students, 55.2 did not know where to go in the event of an evacuation, and 75.9% did not know what to do in the event of a lockdown. Out of a survey of 19 RAs, 75% did not receive training on how to aid residents in emergency, and 62.5% did not feel prepared to help residents during an emergency situation. Our technology will allow students to quickly understand the safety protocols and have an overall better sense of preparedness and security on campus. Because we understand the traditional DU student, we will employ a direct marketing strategy to DU. We will partner with them to personalize this technology to DU's campus. We would set up a one-on-one presentation in order to pitch our product to DU. Direct marketing is highly effective in the educational sphere. Many textbook manufacturers and educational technological systems use this strategy. DU will allow emXRgency to test our software and fix all the potential problems that may arise. We will truly partner with DU to create a personalized and secure system. Eventually, we hope to spread out to other colleges. emXRgency is not just a traditional notification system. We will stand out from our competitors through our implementation of augmented reality. We will show a countdown timer and a path to safety that our competitors do not have. Our safety maps and scalable communication systems allow us to be faster and more reliable than our competitors. Live safe, rate mobile safety, and safe zone.